Hello everyone, and welcome to another Paddocks video tutorial. My name is Anaida Clark, and today I'm going to take you through the process of amending your Homeowners Association's constitution. First things first, what authority do you need to amend your constitution? Well, this will depend on the content of the relevant section of the Common Law HOA's constitution itself. For example, your constitution could have a section that says a motion to amend the constitution needs to be supported by 2/3 of the members, by 75% of the members, by 80% of the members, etc. In the absence of any guidance in the constitution itself, the change can only be implemented if agreed to by all members of the HOA. After obtaining the necessary approval from the members, your next step is to approach the local municipality. You need to obtain 2 forms from the municipality, namely a land use management application form and a power of attorney form. Complete these forms with care, making sure that you answer all the questions provided. Next, you need to make payment, the amount of which is dependent on what exactly you want to change. Remember, the municipality will not process your request for amendment of the Constitution until the payment is made. Once the forms are completed and payment has been made, you need to submit the forms in PDF format and attach the following supporting documentation: a letter of motivation, the original Constitution, the amended Constitution with all proposed amendments clearly highlighted, a copy of the HOA's title deed or deeds, and a copy of the municipal rates or water account in the name of the HOA. Save all of these documents in PDF format on a memory stick and hand in the stick at the relevant municipal offices. In the past, the municipality used to stamp your amended constitution, but today it seems that municipalities prefer to issue a letter confirming that the amendments carries their approval, rather than handing you a stamped copy. I trust that you have found this tutorial helpful. If you are a Paddocks Club member, remember to post any questions relating to the amendment of your constitution on the discussion forum. Until next time, goodbye.